meantime, let's speak of the Prime Minister's praise for the RSS from the ramparts of the Red Fort yesterday has now become the biggest political flashpoint on this Independence Day. As the Prime Minister in the front of the nation and the world hailed the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, calling it as the world's biggest NGO, praising a century of its service, calling it as a discipline and which has made sacrifices in nation building, role inspiring, with the Prime Minister who just didn't mention the Sangh, he placed it at the heart of his national narrative.
आज मैं बहुत गर्व के साथ एक बात का जिक्र करना चाहता हूं। आज से 100 साल पहले एक संगठन का जन्म हुआ, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ। 100 साल की राष्ट्र की सेवा एक बहुत ही गौरवपूर्ण स्वर्णिम पृष्ठ है। व्यक्ति निर्माण से राष्ट्र निर्माण के संकल्प को लेकर के 100 साल तक मां भारती का कल्याण का लक्ष्य लेकर के लक्षावधि स्वयंसेवकों ने मातृभूमि के कल्याण के लिए अपना जीवन समर्पित किया है। सेवा, समर्पण, संगठन और अप्रतिम अनुशासन, ये जिसकी पहचान रही है, ऐसा राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ दुनिया का ये सबसे बड़ा एनजीओ है। एक प्रकार से 100 साल का उसका समर्पण का इतिहास है। आज लाल किले की प्राचीर से 100 साल की इस राष्ट्र सेवा की यात्रा में योगदान करने वाले सभी स्वयंसेवकों को आदरपूर्वक स्मरण करता हूं।
Well, however, when it comes to the Congress party, he seems to be taking on the Prime Minister as far as his mention of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh in his Independence Day speech is concerned, saying that this is nothing but an attempt to appease the Sangh. That is why the Prime Minister made it a mention during his Independence Day address.
क्या है उसकी उपयोगिता? इस देश में सिर्फ वैमनस्य और नफरत पैदा करने के अलावा इस एनजीओ, तथाकथित एनजीओ ने किया क्या है? इतिहास इनका संदिग्ध रहा है। महात्मा गांधी की हत्या में इनकी संदिग्ध भूमिका, हर जगह आपको जहां लगेगा कि देश के खिलाफ कुछ हुआ है, आरएसएस की संदिग्ध भूमिका दिखेगी। राष्ट्रीय संदिग्ध संगठन रजिस्टर तो कराएं, दिखाएंगे हम, इनको रजिस्टर कराना पड़ेगा और तब देखते हैं रजिस्ट्रेशन होगी या नहीं होगी, होने दी जाएगी या नहीं होने जाएगी।
आरपी सिंह of the बीजेपी is connected with us. आरपी सिंह जी, कांग्रेस पार्टी बार बार यह सवाल उठा रही है कि आरएसएस के बारे में प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने कल के इंडिपेंडेंस डे एड्रेस पर क्यों मेंशन करा, आखिरकार क्या जरूरत पड़ गई? उनका यह कहना है कि आरएसएस का फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में कोई रोल प्ले नहीं किया गया था। आरपी सिंह जी? Well, as we are getting more voices on the opinion that has been coming from the Congress party, taking a jibe at the RSS and also the Prime Minister, saying that the organization did not play a direct role in India's independence struggle and stayed away from mass protests like civil disobedience movement and from the Quit India movement as well. But RP Singh ji, what is your point of view as far as the Congress party has not taken it quietly as far as when it comes to the Prime Minister mentioning the RSS in his Independence Day speech?
Well, RSS is completing the 100 years of the RSS. So, obviously, the NGO which has brought the nationalism to the forefront in the country and was produced leaders like Narendra Modi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Al-K Advani, and Amit Shah, and many more leaders who have led the nation. So, RSS has been there for 100 years and has been ongoingly working for nationalism. And then the way the organization has grown, the way the organization has worked, it's extremely exemplary. And that's why Prime Minister Modi has mentioned it. But Mr. Pawan Khera must come to RSS Shakha for some time, for almost a week or 10 days, and then he'll understand the difference between Congress and the RSS. Congress has divided this country from the partition to Khalistan movement. I mean, they have, or even for that regard, appeasing Muslims in the country for their vote bank. But it is the RSS which has kept the country together under the umbrella of Dharma.
All right, because here the Congress party, Mr. RP Singh, has accused the RSS of undermining undermining the struggle for independence and the foundation of India's constitution as well. Thank you very much for joining in. Of course, reactions are coming in big on this story. Let's shift focus to another break.